x square minus x cube is equal to 80. Find the solution for x. Now x square minus x cube, we send 80 to the left hand side, so it is minus 80 is equal to 0, or x square minus x cube minus 80, we can write it as minus 16 minus 64 is equal to 0. Now let's rearrange it. We can write x square minus 16 together, then plus, then minus x cube plus 64 together like this is equal to 0, or x square minus 16, we can write it as 4 square, then minus x cube, and 64 we can write it as 4 cube is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4 square, it is in the form of differences of square, a square minus b square, and this we can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So we can write it as x plus 4 times x minus 4, then minus, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and we can expand it as a plus b, then times a square minus ab plus b square. So let's expand it as x plus 4, then times x square minus 4x plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 is the common factor, so we can write x plus 4 common, and that x minus 4 minus x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 parenthesis x minus 4 minus x square plus 4x minus 16 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 then minus x square plus x plus 4x is plus 5x minus 4 minus 16 is minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we have two solutions. When x plus 4 is equal to 0, in that case x is equal to minus 4. So this is one value for x. When x square plus, when minus x square plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. Let's multiply both the side by minus. Then we have x square minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now to find the roots for x, we can use the discriminant formula, where x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a here is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b here is the coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and c here is 20. Therefore x is equal to minus 5, then plus minus b square is minus 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 20 under square root upon 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus minus plus, so it is positive 5, then plus minus 5 square is positive 25 minus 80 upon 2, or x is equal to 5 plus minus 25 minus 80 is 55. So square root of 55, it is minus square root of 55 upon 2, or x is equal to 5 plus minus, this we can write it as 55 under square root times minus 1 upon 2, or x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 55 times minus square root of 1, and minus square root of 1 is considered imaginary number, so we can write here x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 55 I for imaginary unit upon 2. So second value for x is 5 plus 55 under square root I upon 2, and third value for x is 5 minus square root of 55 I upon 2. So these are the complex solution for x. The real solution for x is equal to minus 4. Now let's check this value. Minus 4 square minus minus 4 cube. We have to check whether it is equal to 80. Minus 4 square, it will be positive 16. Then minus 4 cube will be negative 64. Negative, negative, positive. So 16 plus 64, that is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 is the real solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.